Gentlemen, if you're using an impact driver, make sure that your bits are impact rated. DeWalt has you hooked up here with a 40-piece flex torque set that has an extended zone of impact resistance, longer lasting, more powerful bits. But let's pop it open and take a look. Check that out. There's a nice case that locks down, and if you have more cases like this, you can lock them all together. That's pretty cool. The case seems pretty durable too. Yeah, this is a durable case, and it's still, transparent on the top. You can see what case you're grabbing. And look at all these bits. All right, so these are this, the flex torque. Okay, the flex torque have these yellow sleeve around them. So a little bit longer, and they're engineered to withstand the impacts. Now all of these have a shape to the end that goes into the collet of your impact. And so these are the Phillips number 2, and they give you a whole bunch of them. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these Phillips number 2s, right? And there's a few other ones too. These bits, they're 2 and a quarter inch long, right? And so this is the Torx, and they're labeled. You see them there, the T20 Torx. And then you have a square number 2, and a T25 Torx. And so those are your extended flex torque zone bits. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them, and 6 of them are the Phillips number 2s. Now, what are all these other ones? Let's take a look. These little bits, which are impact rated, go into a bit holder. DeWalt has hooked you up with a whole bunch of Phillips number 2s. They know how quickly you guys go through the Phillips number 2s. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them right here. And these little ones that they don't go directly into the collet. Okay, there's a bit holder. Let me show you the bit holder. You actually have, I think you might have 2 of them. But this bit holder is, DeWalt, and it's magnetic. So DeWalt makes it easy for you to pull up and pull out these little bits because they're already angled up. And you put it in the bit holder, okay? And then, yeah, it's magnetic. And I've had a lot of DeWalt sets throughout the days, and I've been impressed with all of them. I still have some of them to look through my workbench here, but they're really old. I'm getting old too, I guess, because the ones I'm thinking of, they're like I think they might be 20 years old at this point, but DeWalt has always made good, high quality stuff that lasts a long time in my experience. And so, this ToughCase in the flex zone, or the flex torque, whatever they call it, I expect it to hold up for a long time too. And my first impression is that, more DeWalt high quality product. But anyways, we're getting sidetracked here. The little bits go in this bit holder. Okay, so let me show you the little bits, and these go down as 1 inch. And like I said, for the Phillips number 2, they give you 2, 4, 6, 7 of them. Now here's a Phillips number 1, and these are labeled, right? Yeah, Phillips number 1, okay? And how many Phillips number 1s? Just 1 of this size, they have just 1. So, and then they have a Phillips number 3. And in this size, which is a little 1 inch size, just 1 of them, okay? And then we have square. Do any of you guys use square? I don't really use square in my day-to-day work, but you have square 1. You guys remember square 1? Yeah, I think that you have 3. Yeah, you have 3 square number 2s right here. Okay, and then the Torx, you have a T15, you have 2 T20s, and then you have 3 T25s, and then somewhere is a big old T27. You guys see it right here? You get one of these big old T27s, all right? And that's on top. Remember, you also have some of these Torx, flex torque bits right here that are 2 1/4 inches. And then what else do we have? Slotted. Okay, so for the slot we have, I think that DeWalt calls these, has like a number for them. Yes, slot number 8. So you have 2 slot number 8s, 1 slot number 6, and 1 slot number 10. right? And these are all stamped in there, what they are. I was holding some of these upside down. I hope you guys can read upside down. Slot 8 through 10. All right. So this is the big slotted. I don't know. Some of them call them, you know, they call them flathead, slotted. Some of them they're labeled by the length. These are numbered. That's how DeWalt does it, right? Also, you have a magnetic bit driver, 5/16, and a magnetic bit driver of 1/4 inch, because there's a magnet in both of these nut drivers, which is good to see, because whenever you're dealing with, like, you know, the little screws or whatever that are this small, that, I mean, they're just a pain to stay on the tip of the impact. So it's cool to see that. All right, and then, you know, you have a socket set, an impact rated socket set that's 3/8. Well, here's a 3/8 socket adapter. Here's a 3/8 socket. Show you what it looks like when we put it on there. So now you've turned a regular impact into a 3/8 impact driver with that adapter. Now there's one more that I want to show you guys, that kind of my first impressions, because I wanted to see what this is. And this is impact rated. It has that flex torque zone in there, right? And look at, there's a number 2 Phillips in there, and you have a sleeve that slides. A cumbersome guy like me, you know, I'm going to be honest, a lot of times I have trouble, you know, with, you know, like drywall screws. So I believe that this will help you hold the drywall screw and drive it in. What do they even call this? Magnetic screw lock sleeve. All right. So you put the little drywall screw on here. The magnet holds the head of the screw rather than sticking it onto the tip of your bit, right? The magnet holds the you know, the flanged end of the screw, and you can jab it into the drywall and then hold this bit, I guess, and then eventually the tip will hit into the Phillips head of the screw and drive it in. All right, this is my first impressions. I'm just making this up, all right? That's what I think this is for. You know what? You might want to check back in. I'll try out this set. I'll use it, and we'll see exactly how this works. But like I said, my first impression, I believe that you know, this allows you to hold the screw without having to stick it right onto the tip. All right, and stay tuned. I'll do a follow-up video. You still have just a regular bit holder, a magnetic bit holder, and all of these little ones, they're held in pretty securely. They're all angled to make it easier to remove. Okay, so when you push them all the way in, they're still sticking up a little bit. All right. And this is the ToughCase Plus from DeWalt, okay? I'll compare them to some other brands. I have a few other cases from some other brands. But my first impressions is that these are nice. This ToughCase Plus, this is really nice. And I have another set I'm about to look at. So like they clip together, and it looks like that this locking mechanism for the lid can also secure it to another ToughCase. So these are my bits. I also got a set of drill bits, right? So I have the drill bits and the driver bits. But if you want a bunch of really useful DeWalt bits that are impact rated, extra durable with the flex torque extended zone, then check out this 40-piece impact ready set from DeWalt. It's in a ToughCase Plus. I'm Jim Kincaid. Thanks for watching.